General Science Multiple Choice Question Answer. General Science GK questions. Competitive exams. Which gas is commonly used in balloons is A. Helium, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Oxygen. Answer: A. Helium. Green vegetables are good source of A. Protein, B. Fats and oil, C. Vitamins and minerals, D. All of above. Answer: C. Vitamins and minerals. Green vegetables are good source of vitamins and minerals. Largest part of the brain is called A. Cerebrum, B. Frontal lobe, C. Occipital lobe, D. Cerebellum. Answer: A. Cerebrum. Which instrument used to measure humidity? A. Thermometer, B. Hygrometer, C. Galvanometer, D. None of these. Answer: B. Hygrometer. Hygrometer is used to measure humidity. Which of the following protect our body from diseases? A. Platelets, B. White blood cells, C. Red blood cells, D. DNA. Answer: B. White blood cells. White blood cells protect our body from bacteria and viruses that threaten your health. Parsec is a unit of A. Distance, B. Speed,